welcome back to my channel. So today I'm unboxing this Red Iguana. It's the practice hand, and I also got one of the fingers as well. So I'm just going to open up the box. This is what it looks like outside of, the package would come in, just because it was shipped through the mail. So she gave me a little coupon. Oh, and she also comes with instructions on how to use your silicone practice hand. So I'm just reading over this real quick. So yeah, and she also shows that she has some tutorial videos on how to use your hand. Okay, so first things first, let's go ahead and open this up, which I love the packaging of this. I think this is so cute. That's in a drawstring bag. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. And like, y'all, this feels so real. It's crazy. Like, it's bendable. It's very high quality. You can definitely tell that much. Like, putting this next to my hand, that's really crazy. You see how it has like all the lines and stuff in it? Like, it's made to look like a real hand. Like, even the lines in the knuckles, little cross-stitching lines. It's very bendy and flexible, so I like that. I think that's really cool. And I think this will be good, like, if you're trying to do like product shots, like for your Instagram and that whole sort of thing. So yeah, I definitely like this. Okay. Next thing that's in the box. Well, actually, let me check this out. So it comes with a little ring, like some jewelry for your hand. So I think that's cool. You can just pop that. How does this work? Oh, it stretches. Okay, so you can just like pop that on there or whatever, which is pretty cool. So that's definitely cute. Like that. Alright. Now, I didn't get the full practice hand. I only got the ones that came with 4 fingers. So, just because I didn't think I needed that one. And similar to this one, it comes in a little drawstring bag. So I actually may keep these and use these for something else too. Like when you can have reusable packaging, so that's great. Just opening this up here. Okay. And so this is supposed to be posable, so we'll see. And that's pretty cool. I don't know if you guys can see like how it's like all wrinkly on the back. That's pretty cool. And let's see. Oh yeah, you can definitely bend this. And it's sturdy. Like, it's not like flimsy or anything. Like, it's sturdy. You can tell there's like a little, like, I don't know, maybe like a metal piece or like a flexible like sort of silicone that allows you to do that. Like, you see that, guys? I can just like go like that. I didn't mean to flick you guys off. But yeah. So I think that's really awesome. So yeah, I just want to come on here real quick and just show you guys what I got in the mail today. And you will see this in future videos. But I just want to come on and show you guys and give you my first impressions, what I thought. So far, so great. And I'll let you guys know how I feel about the next one. So, bye.